Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday here in Bali and I am up and it's about 12 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go run some errands. I have my driver waiting for me, so I've hired him for a couple of hours because there are a couple of things I need to do. So today we are going to go um, to the health food store because I need to get some coconut oil, organic coconut oil, and I also need to get my creatine supplement, which I have ran out of. So we're gonna do health food store run, and then I'm gonna go drop off my laundry, which is right over here, and that'll be yeah. So and then I'm gonna go drop off my laundry, and then I'm gonna go look at this uh, community that I'm thinking about moving to for more long-term stay, because right now I'm in kind of like a really nice boutique hotel which I treated myself to for my birthday month, and so I am now going to go venture out and check out some more long-term stay type facilities, and then that's all I have planned right now. But I'm just gonna take you guys along on a day in the life of living here in Bali. So let's go, guys. Alright guys, I'm all set, ready to go. Getting ready to jump on my bike with my driver Made. And we're about to get into the day, guys.
Okay. Yeah, ready?
Yep, ready.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm here at Semuja property. It's a hotel, but they also have villas here. So I am getting ready to go take a look at one of the villas to see if maybe this could be something that I could do long term. Let's see. Thank you. All right. So we are here. In one of the rooms. So we have the bed here. Got a nice little patio out front. Have all this greenery here outside the room. Little sitting area right here. Huh. Where's the air condition? Air condition you have in here? Aircon?
Okay.
Oh, okay. And then this is the bathroom. The floor's a little wet. There's a bathroom right here. Nice. The ceilings. Okay, thank you. Yeah, right. This is the pool area for the villas. Nice pool. Now this area is nice, but those rooms are very small. I think they're, yeah, just a little too small and dark for me. I need to have a lot of light coming into my room. So this outdoor space is really nice, but the room is really too small for me. So I don't know. I have to see how I feel. Hi guys, it's been a little bit of a detour. It started pouring rain, and so I decided to stop my little house hunt and stop to get something to eat at my favorite little spot called Weibo. And so I've ordered some they call this yellow dal, but it's just lentil soup. I've got a side of chicken and crispy bacon for my protein, and yeah, a little strawberry lemonade. So I'm about to dig into this because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. It's just about 2:30 here, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Cheers.